Hello and welcome, friends. This is Vishal from Super Techie Academy, and today I'm going to tell you how you can add a Connect Wallet button in your Wix website using Azure Web App. So, Connect Wallet button is nothing; it's just a login, like similar to Facebook Connect or Twitter Connect, in which you can log in using third party into a website. So, similarly, in a Web3 website, Web3 related website, you can log in using Connect Wallet feature, in which you could have your own wallets like MetaMask, Coinbase, and you can just log in using your credentials. Well, there are so many things which are available on internet. You may end up spending 5 or 6 days researching on implementing a simple feature of Connect Wallet button in your Wix website. So I'm going to simplify this for you in few simple steps. As you can see my screen, there are few steps written here. So you can perform all the steps one by one, and I'll tell you and I will demo you how you can basically implement that in your website. So firstly, you need to download a MetaMask wallet in your browser. So as you can see here, this extension is there. You can just go and Google and download the MetaMask. It will install MetaMask in your browser. So once that is installed, means you can just log in. I'm assuming that you already have a MetaMask account. So it's just a sample I have taken as a MetaMask wallet. You can add multiple types of wallet in it, and put a connect wallet feature in your website. So if I go back on the screen, so once you have got your MetaMask wallet in your browser extension, then you can design or choose a basic template on Wix website. Go on Wix, create an account on Wix, and you can choose anything, any template, and simply just keep it for a while. So once we get to the end, we will use that. So okay, so let's move to the next step. So there is already a code which is available on GitHub. It will be easily implemented, and you don't have to write a code again and again. So I will share with you the link on which I have got from internet. I think it's already downloaded on my desktop, and I think this is the link from where I've got the code. Okay. Now, once you have got a code downloaded on your in your local repository from GitHub, then you just need to go there in your local folder, copy the basically copy this path and go in the command prompt. So open the command prompt, cd to the path which you have copied and enter into that. And now you have to install certain packages. Before that, you need to install Node.js. And once you install the Node.js, I think you can download it from here. So once you install the Node.js, you need to select Windows, and then you can download it. Just install it, and that Node.js will basically help you to compile and run the application. Okay, so you can download Node.js from there, the link that I have shared with you. And now you need to basically install certain more packages. So in this, I would like to highlight, I'm using a third-party library, which is called thirdweb, which is free to use. So normally, when you use, Web3 related functionality, there are so many things available free of cost on internet. But thirdweb is a very good kind of company who has basically created an SDK in different languages like Python, React.js, JavaScript, TypeScript, in which you can easily utilize and write your Web3 functionality. So there is a lot of abstraction which is already there in thirdweb. You don't need to implement each and everything. You just need to use the functionality. So it's completely free of cost. Okay, so try to use that. And you need to install thirdweb React packages and Node.js and Next.js packages basically. So all the commands are written here. So what you need to do is you just need to go there in the local repository, and you need to type npm install. So it will install all the Next.js package. It will install all the packages related to Next.js. And in the thirdweb package, so you need to go there on the portal.thirdweb.co. Okay, so this is a link I will provide to you. and you can just copy this command npm install, and you can just copy and paste it in your command prompt. Okay, and similarly, the things will install in your repository in which the code is downloaded. So once that is done, your third web package is also added in your particular repository. So it will take certain time, but in the meantime, I will explain the rest of the procedure. Okay. So once you have gone through all these kind of packages, so the next step is to build the folder. So it's a very easy command. It's very easy to use. So you just need to like simply you have written npm install. Similarly, you just need to write npm build. And there is one more thing. If you want to run your code in your laptop or local computer, then you just need to write npm run dev. That will basically create a server for you, and then you can open it in your local browser using localhost at some port. Okay, so you can test your functionality locally as well. Now, once you are able to install the packages, and you just need to type npm build. So this will basically, that build command will create a .next package in that repository. So let me just type npm build here. So it will run in the background. Okay. Oh, I think it's npm run build. Okay. So this will run here, and it will basically create a .next package here, and which is basically a build package which you can deploy in production. So once that is done, what you need to do is, next step is to download Visual Studio Code. So this Azure web app, in the Wix website, there are certain features in let me show you. There are certain features you can add, like it's very kind of a tool which you can basically design your website without writing any code. So there are so many things which are available. You can implement in the developer tools. You can add packages here or modules here, which you can drag and drop and use their functionality. But in case of Web3 functionality, there is a limited support in Wix website. So what you need to do is you need to use iframe, and you need to write the Web3 code in Azure web app and embed that particular web app page into an iframe on the Wix website. So that's the solution we are going to implement today. Okay. So this build is running, and now we are going to deploy. So once that build is done, it will create .next package in the folder itself, local folder, and we will go to Visual Studio Code in the meantime. So I'll show you. So before that, you need to have a Azure account, and you need to create a basic web app in there. As you can see, there's a certain set of files which are already there in Visual Studio, and you can see there are a few files in which we are using Connect Wallet feature just to showcase a single Connect Wallet button. So this is basically the main file where all the functionality is written, where the Connect Wallet button, how it will be displayed. And so once you click on the Connect Wallet button in the browser, then it will show you the address of your wallet, and the blockchain in which your wallet is there, and a disconnect button where you can disconnect the button of your wallet. Okay. Now let me show you on the Azure web app what settings you need to select. Okay, so you just have a free trial subscription, and you can just write the web app name, and remember to choose the runtime stack as Node. So it should be as close as to your system's Node.js version. You can just go and type Node -v to check the version of your Node.js in your local machine, and it should be close to whatever package, whatever runtime stack you're selecting here. You need to choose Windows here, and that's it. So you just need to select the basic settings and then deploy it. So this is the basic thing I wanted to tell you about what kind of web app you need to create. So what you need to do is just go there, and also this is the Azure section. It will show you all the resources which are there in your free trial subscription, and you need to choose web app here. Once the build is done, make sure that build should be done in the background. Okay, it is done. Now you can basically right click and click on deploy to web app. So this is very easy way to deploy it on web app. So once that is done, it will show the code like this. So it will show you the code like this. So this will just be a connect wallet button. So as I can show you the functionality here, you can click here. It will open a MetaMask extension, and you can write your password, and all the address details will appear here. Similarly, we are going to use this deployed website in Wix, and what we need to do here is just select the code. You need to add the code here. Second, you see embed code here, and select embed HTML. So it will add a particular control here. You need to click on enter code, and you need to type the iframe code. So just go there. You need to create basically an iframe code here. So for that, you need to have a link of web app, which we have already created, and go to an online iframe generator. So I think already opened it for you. Let me see. Generator. Okay, I think this is the one. So you just need to type the URL here, which you have deployed in Azure, and select the height and width, how it will look like, and you need to click on generate code. So you need to copy this code with whatever, and you need to copy paste in the Wix website control here. Okay, and you need to click on update. So that will basically add. So make sure you have HTTPS selected, otherwise it won't show because of security issues. See, you can add a connect wallet button like this here. You can just resize the box, and it will these scrolls will go away, and you can place it anywhere in your website, and it will become a part of your website. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. And if this video has helped you, then please don't forget to subscribe and click on like button on my video. And also wanted to tell you that I'm running a Super Techie Academy program. And if you're a techie and you want to free yourself from all the barriers between you and your success, join me on this transformational journey, which is specifically designed for techies who are passionate about technology and wants to make a real difference in the world. I'll share my link to a form which will ask you certain details. And once you fill that form and submit it, my team will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.